is nothing wrong with supporting other women. And I think that's the problem. So many people are worried about others getting ahead of them, and everyone moves at their own pace. Everyone succeeds at their own pace. Everyone fails at their own pace. You have to pick yourself up and not rely on others, because they don't know how you feel. They don't know what you've been through. They can only assume, and they could be there the best that they know how to be, and that may not even be enough for you, because you may need more than the people around you are willing to give you, or even capable of giving you. So you really have to be everything you need. You have to be that for yourself.